Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to find largest values from the data. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So I will show you two methods. So by following that method you can easily calculate the largest values from the data. So firstly select the cells where you want to find the largest values. So after selecting the cells, right here is equal and max. So after selecting the formula, click on tab button. So when you will click on tab button, so after that select the range. So after selecting the values, close the bracket and then press enter button. You can see the largest values is calculated. So it is the first method. So second method is that again select the cells. So after selecting the cells you can see home option, so click on it, and here you can see sum options. So in sum options you can see drop down arrow, so click on it, and here you can see max option, so click on it, and then select the values. So after selecting the values, click on enter button. So you can see the largest values is calculated. So guys, in this way you can calculate the largest values from the data. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.